Categories allow you to group items in your menu, simplifying the purchasing process for your customers. Creating categories simplifies your customers' experience, making it easier for them to order from you. To get started, head to the Categories tab in the menu maker and select New Category. Enter the name of the category and specify which menu it should be included in. For example, if you want specials to be available for both breakfast and lunch, ensure the category is added to both menus. Hit Save to keep your changes. Back in your menu, the new category will appear at the bottom of the list. You can reorder categories by utilising the 2- icon and dragging and dropping. To add or move an item to your newly created category, select the item to edit it. Scroll down and update its categories tags. Make sure to click Save once you're done. Items won't automatically be added to new categories, so make sure each is updated manually. Creating categories simplifies your customers' experience, making it easier for them to order from you.